Ever wondered how to make your own Osterkrantz? This traditional Easter wreath, hailing from Germany, is an emblem of spring's arrival and the joyous Easter season. It's a charming way to add a festive touch to your home decor. Now that you know what an Osterkrantz is, let's dive into how you can make one for yourself. First off, we need to gather our materials and tools. Depending on your Osterkrantz style, you might need natural materials, upcycling materials, or kid-friendly items. Tools like scissors, glue, and wire could come in handy. With these materials and tools, you are ready to start crafting your Osterkrantz. Now, we'll go through the step-by-step process of creating your Osterkrantz. First, let's create a classic Osterkrantz with natural materials. Begin by forming a wreath base with flexible branches like willow or grapevine. Add moss and dried flowers for a rustic touch. Secure everything with floral wire. Next, a modern Osterkrantz with upcycled materials. This variant is all about creativity. Use an old bicycle wheel or a wire hanger for the base. Decorate with fabric scraps, old buttons, or even colored paper. The key is to repurpose materials you already have at home. Finally, kid-friendly Osterkrantz ideas. Children love to participate, so let's make this fun. Use a foam or straw wreath base for safety. Decorate with colorful ribbons, stickers, and plastic eggs. Remember, the goal is to let the little ones express their creativity. And there you have it, your own homemade Osterkrantz. Taking care of your Osterkrantz is just as important as making it. To keep it fresh during Easter, mist it lightly every few days. After the season, store it in a cool, dry place to prevent fading and damage. With these care and storage tips, your Osterkrantz will surely last for many Easters to come. You might have some questions about your Osterkrantz, and we're here to answer them. From adding your own unique touch, preventing fading or damage, to ensuring secure door hanging, these aspects are all part and parcel of the Osterkrantz creation process. We hope this guide has been helpful and has inspired you to create your own Osterkrantz this Easter. Happy crafting!